Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone waking up when you pick it up. Ever picked up your iPhone and noticed the screen lights up on its own? That's Rise to Wake doing its things. Some people love it since it lets you quickly glance at time, check notifications without touching a button, or even unlock it with Face ID. For others it can be a bit annoying. Maybe your screen lights up too often without you needing it to, or it drains a little extra battery. Either way, you can turn it off or on whenever you like. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to display and brightness option. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of Rise to Wake. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Once you do this, the feature will be disabled immediately and your iPhone screens will not wake up when you lift it. At any point, if you wish to use Rise to Wake Up again, simply tap the Rise to Wake Up toggle again. Rise to Wake isn't the same as Tap to Wake. You might have seen another feature on iPhone called Tap to Wake. While they sound similar, they work differently. Rise to Wake turn on the screen when you lift the phone. Tap to Wake turn on the screen when you tap on it with your finger. For users who are worried about battery life, this might be a good middle ground. Tap to Wake is available on the iPhone with Face ID. You can use both features together or just enable the one you prefer. If you want to turn on or off Tap to Wake too, you can do this. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Accessibility. Next, scroll down and go to Touch option. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of Tap to Wake. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Both these settings give you control over how and when your iPhone wakes up, and you are done. I hope this video will help you if you don't like your iPhone waking up when you pick it up. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.